At Fire Station 33 in Pasadena, everyone had the chance to make a difference and help save a life by donating 1 pint of blood, which has the potential to save up to 3 lives. But TIG phlebotomist Jaime Acuna says donations throughout the state are low, and only 3% of Southern California's total population donates blood.
Especially here in California, it's low. Sometimes we have to get the blood from either Arizona or from New Mexico.
Acuna says common misconceptions may steer people away.
The conception of if you donate blood, you might gain weight.
Another reason more people don't donate? Lack of time.
The people are working, they don't have time to donate blood. That's the main thing.
Lynn says the hardest time to find donors is during the summer.
In the summertime, because the school closed, so we don't have any student to donate blood.
But several people, like Officer Raquel Hammerstrom, took a few minutes from their day today to donate.
It's quick, it's not painful, and there's people out there that need the blood.
I actually had a kidney transplant when I was a kid, and he was on dialysis and stuff like that. And so during all the operations, he actually benefited greatly from it.
Aside from the benefit of helping someone else, donors can also help themselves to snacks and a drink. To donate blood and help save a life, contact your local Red Cross Center at 1-800-GIVE-LIFE. In Pasadena, I'm Alex Hinojosa reporting.